video I'm showing you how to sew a knot bag. How sweet does this bag look? A great little bag for the beach. Measure out and cut your material. Then you're going to iron the hems and pin them. You're going to do each side. Once that's done, then you are going to sew each side like I'm doing here. This is the first side, this is the second side, and once I've finished sewing the sides, I'm then going to put it on the table and fold it in half and find the middle. Then I'll lay it out on the table and kind of make a bow in the middle like I'm doing here. Then I'm going to make a knot. I'm just doing one knot for this bag. You can make 2 or 3 knots, up to you, but you need longer material. Once you've got the knot, fold it in half. Then I'm going to pin the sides like I'm doing here. Now I'm sewing the sides only halfway down, like so. Then I'm going to sew the bottom, but I'm going to turn it sideways and fold it. Now I'm going to pin it, and then I'm going to sew along the bottom. Once I've sewed it along the bottom, I'm going to turn it inside out, and now I have a sweet little bag ready to take to the beach. Guys, this is an easy make bag. Give it a go. Cheers.